Hello everyone. Today we are starting a new lesson in human resource management called job analysis. Job analysis is often described as the blueprint of human resources because it forms the foundation for almost every HR activity, such as recruitment, selection, training, performance appraisal, and compensation. Without proper job analysis, organizations may hire wrong people, pay unfair salaries, or assign unclear responsibilities. So, in this lesson, we'll understand what job analysis is, how it is carried out, and what its main outputs. Let's begin by defining job analysis. Job analysis is the procedure for determining the duties and skill requirement of a job and the kind of a person who should be hired for it. This definition tells us two important things. First, job analysis focuses on what the job involves, mainly the job duties and responsibilities. Second, it focuses on who should do the job, the skill, knowledge, and the abilities required. So, job analysis is not about a person, it's about the job itself. Now, let's understand how job analysis is carried out. Job analysis follows a two-stage process. The first stage is the input phase, which involves data collection and analysis. In this stage, HR managers collect information about the job. The second stage is the output phase, where the collected data is used to prepare two important documents, the job description and job specification. So, remember this clearly, data collection comes first and documentation comes next. This slide explains the job analysis workflow step by step. First, the organization collects background information about the job. Next, representative positions are selected. This means one job is chosen to represent a group of similar jobs. Then, detailed data about the job is collected, such as tasks, skills, and responsibilities. Finally, the output is prepared in the form of a job description and a job specification. This structured approach ensures accuracy and consistency in job analysis. Let's now discuss step 1, collection of background information. In this step, HR managers examine all existing and available information related to the job. This may include all job descriptions, organizational charts, and wage or salary information. For example, if an organization wants to analyze the job of an accounts executive, HR may first look at previous job descriptions, reporting structures, and pay scales. This step helps HR understand the job before collecting fresh data. Next is step 2, selecting representative positions. In large organizations, there may be many similar jobs. Instead of analyzing every single job, HR selects one representative job to represent a group. For example, if there are 20 sales executives doing similar work, HR may analyze one sales executive position to represent the entire group. This improves efficiency while still maintaining accuracy. Now comes step 3, collecting job analysis data. In this step, detailed information is gathered about the job, including human abilities required, skills and knowledge needed, any special requirements. For example, a machine operator may require physical strength, technical skills, and safety awareness, while an HR officer may require communication skills, legal knowledge, and decision making ability. The goal here is to understand what it takes to perform the job successfully. Once job analysis data is collected, it leads to two important outputs. First one is job description, which focuses on the job or role. Second one is the job specification, which focuses on the person who should perform the job. These two documents together help organizations manage their human resource effectively. Let's first understand the job description. A job description is a written record of duties and responsibilities of a job. It usually includes information such as job title, job location, job summary, reporting relationships, working conditions, responsibilities and duties, machines or tools used, possible hazards. In simple terms, a job description explains what the job is all about. Now let's look at a practical example of a job description. A marketing manager. The job title is marketing manager. Job location may be the corporate office. The employee reports to the director of marketing. The job summary explains the overall purpose of the role. Responsibilities may include planning marketing strategies, managing campaigns, analyzing market trends, and managing budgets. These examples show how a job description provides clear direction and expectations. Now let's move to the second output, the job specification. A job specification focuses on the person, not the job. It describes the qualification required to perform the job successfully, such as educational qualification, experience, skills, personal qualities, and physical or mental requirements. For example, a marketing manager may require a degree in marketing, several years of experience, leadership skills, and strong communication abilities. Job specification helps HR select the right person for the job. To conclude this lesson, we can identify job analysis is a systematic process that helps organizations understand jobs clearly. The two key outputs of this job analysis are the job description and the job specification. Especially, a well-prepared job specification ensures that organizations hire employees with the right qualification, skills, and characteristics. This leads to better performance, job satisfaction, and organizational success.